Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. Ingredients: pie crust, 10 tablespoons flour, 5 tablespoons margarine, 2 tablespoons evaporated milk. First, to make the pie crust, mix margarine with flour. Second, knead it well until perfectly mixed. Third, add 2 tablespoons evaporated milk to the flour mixture. Fourth, combine well until becoming a dough. Use a hand for maximum.
Fifth, press and shape the dough on a non-stick pan, can be helped with a spoon. 6. Using fork, make holes on pie dough, set aside. Prepare the ingredients. Ingredients: flour, 5 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 pieces eggs, 14 tablespoons evaporated milk, a little bit vanilla essence.
First, add the ingredients to bowl. Second, mix well. Third, using low heat, bake the pie. Fourth, strain the liquid on pie dough. Fifth, put the lid and bake until the liquid has formed. 6. If emerges bubble, prick the dough with a fork.
7. Remove the scum remnants to smooth the flour batter. 8. Put the lid back. Use the lid convex so that water not fall to dough. 9. Make sure the liquid has formed. And the end, let it cool, then move to a plate.